It's my first haul down a haul. I'm really excited because I went on a 99-cent store haul. What button?
I think we don't want this in the shot.
Don't get out! I'm trying to make a video! What are you doing? Ah!
That's great.
I'll be right back.
Ow!
Hi, I'm Doris, and right now I'd like to show you my 99-cent store only haul. This is the place where you can go and get great deals for 69 cents. I have needed a gnome for so long. Why would I want one gnome when you can have two? This is gonna be so exciting, watching me taste things. Oh! Now I might like this kind of a treat. It's Mama Chia every single day. Forever. Here's your Mama Chia. Here's your Mama Chia. Here's your Mama Chia. Here's your Mama Chia. I feel better than Oprah doing that. Gummy candy sour. This is gonna be so good.
You're an idiot. What are you doing?
Really sure it's good. Next thing is the M&M's. They're not the kind with the nuts. Thing I got are goobers because I don't know what goobers really are, but I don't, you know, people are always telling me to stop getting my goobers everywhere and stop picking my nose and getting goobers under the carpet and stuff.
You're a goober. The goober is you.
The next thing I got was papaya and pineapple. I love mixing my flavors. So I decided to start celebrating with a little bit of a chili lemon botania. Oh! Woo! Mmm. Oh! I already opened it. Why do I have... Chewy, squishy. I feel dizzy. Eating so much now. I thought I was gonna be really cool and get all this stuff and eat it and everything, and now I'm eating it and I'm getting sick.